Hi guys, welcome back to Nox ISO Arts. So I am refining my character at the moment. As you can see, I'm stretching kind of like the tentacles. I'm putting on a jacket to make it a bit more punk rock. I did a bit of research on like how perhaps the transparency would look on the actual character, and then I traced out the silhouette to make sure that I could get kind of those shapes on the right spot and get the silhouette really spot on. Then I broke down the character into shapes. I'm probably gonna go ahead after that and then have a look at some research and make sure that the research that I'm doing, it fixes up the little things that I think are wrong with it. Maybe the mohawk was one of them, so I did a bit of research on the mohawk, and the jacket I wanted it to be a bit more punk rock. As you can see, I'm writing little details and ideas on what I might be able to fix on the end. After that, I want to see how I could make that skin kind of translucency really pop out in the character. Make sure I get the colors kind of on point and make sure I'm not using a whole bunch of them. I can use the minimal amount. Then I looked at character stuff like different things in animals and nature to sort of like change the first to the second design. So this is from the first design I did, the first try to the second try. I want you to make sure that you keep working on your designs and draw them as much as you can. The more you do them, the better the designs will get. Also, just to make sure you guys know, if you want to reach out to us, make sure you tag us at Fatesto or tag your designs hashtag NoxISOArts. I'll have this design ready to go by this Sunday coming on the 17th for our background tutorial on how we can make a background for the character we've made. So I hope I'll see you then, guys. Thank you so much. Bye.